I really appreciate everyone who took the time out to subscribe to my channel. And if you're watching this video, pause what you're doing and subscribe right now so you can be entered for this giveaway. The rules for this giveaway is going to be quite simple. First, you have to like this video. Duh. Second thing is you subscribe to my channel. Then you comment down below your Twitter name, your Instagram name, and your Facebook name. Follow me on all those 4 social media networks. Go to my Facebook page and say enter me. So the winner will be chosen by whoever shares this video the most on Twitter. Sharing this video as much time as you want on Twitter. Really, please don't forget to @ me, because if you don't @ me, I don't know that you share this video. Okay, this is what I will be giving away, a brand new lace wig from Friday Night Hair, synthetic one. This is GLS09. The link to the review of GLS09 right over here so you can watch it. Lace is still on there, the stuffing thing is on there, the plastic thing is on there, everything is on there. This is in the color jet black. This giveaway will run for 3 weeks. I will post the day when it starts and when it ends, and then after that it's closed. I will take about a week to pick the winner. So if you guys have any questions or comments or concerns, don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.